Hello math fans, test 14 lesson 1. If your swords are ready, let's go. Today will just be a short lesson. We're going to solve for variables and talk about how to multiply decimals. So we'll start with a review about solving for variables. And this isn't new, this is something you already know how to do, but we just haven't put it in this language before. So here we have a question. It says 4 times 3 minus 2 times y equals 0. And the question asks you to solve for y. That just means find out what number y is. So I'm going to do my order of operations. So I'm going to start with multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12, minus 2 times y equals 0. So what I have to know is 12 minus what equals 0? Well, obviously 12 minus 12 equals 0. That means that my 2 times y has to equal 12. 2 times what equals 12? 6. Y equals 6. And I can go back and double check that. So 4 times 3, take away 2 times 6 equals 0. 12 take away 12 equals 0. So y equals 6. So here's another example. I have 16 divided by m, take away 3 equals 1. And I want to solve for m. So the first thing that means obviously, find out what m is worth. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find out what I have to do first. That's going to be 16 divided by m. Not very helpful for me. However, I do know that when I take away 3 from it, that's going to equal 1. So I need to know what take away 3 would equal 1, and the answer obviously is 4. That means that 16 divided by m must equal 4. Okay? Hopefully you're with me so far. The reason for that is because whatever 16 divided by m is, when I take away 3, it's going to be 1. 4 take away 3 is 1, so 16 divided by m must equal 4. So if 16 divided by m is 4, fact families tell me that 4 times m must equal 16. M is 4. And again, let me just check that. So that would be 16 divided by 4, take away 3 equals 1. I do my division first and I get 4. Take away 3 equals 1. Yay me. So now try this one on your own. 100 divided by 2 divided by n equals 25. Solve for n. So pause the video here and give that a try, and when you come back I'll have the answer for you. So I can start by doing the 100 divided by 2, which is 50. So then I have 50 divided by n equals 25, and again, fact families, if 50 divided by n is 25, 25 times n equals 50, n must equal 2. And again, I'll just do a quick check just to make sure I've got that right. So it'd be 100 divided by 2 divided by 2. So that would be 50 divided by 2, which would be 25. Same answer as I have up here. I am good. So here's your review. And your first question just asks you to do what we just did. Solve for y. 24 divided by 3, take away y equals 6. Solve for y. The second question you need to do after you watch the video. So after this review slide, there is going to be a video for you to watch. So in the question, 25.3 times 4 equals this. Where should the decimal go in the answer? So what I would suggest you do is solve this, and then write down this, and then go on and watch the video, and you'll be able to put the decimal place in the answer after you watch the video. So pause here until you're done that, and then you can move on to the last part of the lesson. And the last part of our lesson today, we're going to start talking about how to multiply decimals. And for that, I'm going to send you over to Maths Mansion. So it's www.tinyurl.com/maths with an S, mansion21. Head there. That will take you through how to multiply decimals, and then you'll be able to fill in the answer for the second review question. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.